Not knowing what you're doing is the greatest risk in investing. And if that's you, maybe it's time to work with somebody who does, and that's where I come in.
Market in a Minute with David Caseley. Catch the bull by the horns. Fast market insights.
Here's your market in a minute for the week ending Friday, June 12th. This week felt like a reset, not a restart. After last week's test of conviction, markets steadied and moved selectively higher. Investors didn't rush back in, but they stopped backing away. The tone shifted from "are we rolling over?" more to "what actually works from here?" Canada, the TSX rebounded up 1.8%, snapping out of its recent stall. Financials led, supported by stable yields and demand for income. Materials benefited from steady gold prices. Driver, Canada continues to follow rate and risk sentiment, not domestic headlines, but the tone improved. United States, the S&P 500 stabilized and edged higher with calmer trading conditions. Softer inflation signals helped take pressure off yields. Markets reacted better to good news, and that's a change from recent weeks. Leadership broadened slightly, though mega caps still mattered the most. Headline driver, this is about rebuilding confidence and not chasing momentum. In Europe, European equities were slightly higher, participating in the global stabilization. Banks recovered alongside rate stability, and cyclicals caught a modest bid as growth fears eased. Takeaway, Europe moved from pause back to quiet participation. Oil is $85 today, down from $90 last week. Gold was down a bit, but continues to attract defensive inflows. Looking ahead, markets absorb the pullback. Now comes the harder part. With valuation still full and rate cuts uncertain, the next leg higher will need earnings follow through, not just sentiment. Positioning, stay selective. Look for high quality, fair valuations, and steady income. This feels like a measured rebuild and not a start of a runaway move. That's your market in a minute. So stay bullish, stay curious, and watch for stampedes.